Here me and say no peeps, I don't know a trade day from Blue Lagoon tour same way. So me I roast some breadfruit today. So I want to say thanks for your love and support. Thanks to all those who are subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing, everything. You see me I say? So I want to tell you say right now me extra hot because the time hot and the fire stick them might let have some heat there. Yo. But catch the look pre-hour go on. You see me? Bumbo clean. You see that? Breadfruit they almost drop off a fire. But anyways, let me show you how I go on from beginning. You see me? Go for my sister go get some breadfruit, some roasting breadfruit. So I go do a video. They want to have one short video with me roast breadfruit, you see it. So I go do the usual thing. Hold on. Make sure you not see what I go on. You see me? So them say breadfruit we just pick take long for roast. You see it. So I normally cut out the stem. You see it. Cut out the stem. Then we put a X. You see me? The sun red now, so I'm gonna put it for go and drain. The sun go and burn it look a bit. You see it? We get out the stain. The one here, I don't know the one here, the biggest one. This is the big boy, you know. Yeah. One heavy. When you don't eat the one here, you're supposed to cover it so till this would hang this beast thing or something like that. You're so soft. So mostly boiling breadfruit this. Breadfruit. I don't know why I may even say breadfruit. This semi can roast and can boil. All me think about roasting breadfruit, and when you see stain them, run come down and you see them dark spot upon there. I like them dark spot you see it. That me use to identify roasting breadfruit. Some people say once the breadfruit big, it can roast. So let me know from the people them if you have no other ways to identify roasting breadfruit or boiling breadfruit. I'm not too old for learning, you see me? Can share some knowledge. Yeah. Sun gone down, I wonder if rain come. Cause it does kill me. Yo, hey. I go for my sister and come back and you want to see computer and everything and the house lock up. Just come like say it come from all crevice and corner. This bus. So you know some peeps when the breadfruit them bust like this. Cause yesterday some breadfruit they pick and they bust like this. And I just throw them away. Them ripe. You see it. So I guess this turn. Cause they so easily. You're so soft. You see me? Turn this. I wonder if this one of them I pick yesterday. I don't think so. Or maybe, you know. I really see them ways too. Turn breadfruit always nice too. So you see how the part here dark? Yeah. Roasting breadfruit. Beer X me ever say, you know. You see me? Biggest X. So my roast breadfruit for Leisha get for Carop. And somebody else they request breadfruit. So I'm gonna roast it for them too. And again, peeps, man, thank you for your support now give me so far. I really appreciate it. Phone did down, so I get the other one phone screen, so I go active again. As you notice in our day, I did active. But I use the computer and schedule some posts for the rest of August, so I go up that will help. And then afterwards now me can answer the comments and so forth. So yeah, so I go make my fire. You see me. This is a Ackee stick piece, dry Ackee stick. This catch fire good because you see the dry outer layer. Yeah. Once fire catch pan that, you know, gone a road. Right, sometimes you just up on the edge. You can see say you have to break out and do this. Yeah. That's all. Open bottle on the jerk me up. Can't hear now, so I can't catch fire stick, you know, so you know see what I go on. You see me? Take up back my last. Put the fine one them in the middle. The middle. This is some cool one at a time. Look like me sweep them. So we have oil from morning, you use fry some fish. Put some more stick in this. Some fine crumbs. So I toilet paper me get. I just throw a few soak in napkin or toilet paper, newspaper, anything. You just want something for all the oil. And then I light it. Shit. So once the paper catch it now go out because of the oil. Rest big as first. I don't know how much can work on that man still. I don't want to drop right as one more can work. A long one, yeah. Alright peeps, me I go break for now, you know. I don't know when I turn in time before I would back. See struggling, I know. Ay, 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 ay. Alright. Turn to this. Ooh, you know, I step on that, you know. Ooh, yo, 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 yo. The heat is hot. Bomba clean. Don't drop. I say one day at a time. That's when I roast one breadfruit at a time. But as well, I roast the tree. Make the one they stay there so look a bit. Jaja. You can't see say staying in here, man, because them part, you know, not ready for sitting there. People, I don't like roast breadfruit or Same thing. Sitting in my drop off my friggin' fire. Can't bother. And food for me. Just don't step on the fire cooler. couple of Ackee will come out of this fire here. So if fire hot, every minute your blood cleat jump off. Man, me soon me out do. Put 2 pieces of fire tick right there so I light up your blood cleat. Yeah man. That is it. You know, put it back in my fire for going blaze on. And this doesn't chunk you cause smoke. Smoke make me hear them a burn me. You see that, peeps? Why me no want them burn up, you know? Right, peeps, roast one, I take care of it, start bust up. I mean, in the middle, kinda hard, but me juke from the side them and tough. So I guess the roast for me, because I don't want to burn you up like how I say me ever burn up the breadfruit. You see it, because yesterday eggs there I put the tasty from there, so I look here. Soft. I'm tasty from the heart, tough. No business. All I do if they get them, then fry them simple. I eat what I can eat. Shit. I wouldn't want to do this as I live in a bombard star. Can't roast breadfruit with people out. Turn breadfruit the easiest thing for roast. Load up the fire time again, you know. Yeah, peeps, I'm going this now, you know. For today, too, I feel extra tired. So, just them two here left. I look about ackee. I'm going to cook up the ackee with tin mackerel. You see it, so that me a penny right now. Piece of saltfish a boil with the ackee. You know, in the saltfish bag, them comes there with salt. Yeah. I put in water to get the saltfish flavor. I'm going to cook it up with some tin mackerel and then eat piece of breadfruit, you know. This I turn one here. So that I pray. So if me not come back, well, me I go show you now that when me share you out, but the fire kill me, you know. So then time the peeps, enough respect for your support. Yeah, tin mackerel with ackee, roast breadfruit, you know. That me a program right, you know. You know. Right, you know that me a program. Tin mackerel, ackee, and roast breadfruit. See that. Turn breadfruit, you see me? So I finish and touch this. Tasty. Actually tastes good. I love turned fruit. Actually tastes good.